Hi traders, Forex James here, and this is a weekly analysis for the week of May 7th to 11th, 2018. So we're already on the Monday and trading has started. It's been a couple hours. We're still in the Asian session. Okay, so let's start out with the pound dollar. This is such a strong move to the downside. Okay, on the daily, we don't expect price to just turn around. We expect price to range first. So with that being said, I'm still going to be looking for shorts here on the H4. Okay, so I'm seeing a potential price, a potential range before deciding the direction, whether it's going to go up or down. But my bias would be to the downside here. Direction is to the downside. Euro dollar, similar to the pound, really just the drop off here. I'm going to look for some sort of range and enter on the rally, on a pullback. I don't even have to like zoom out and see the bigger picture, because once you see a move like this, it's gonna take time if price were to reverse to the upside. Okay, once the market has picked a direction, it's gonna still stay in the direction for a while. So dollar CAD, price moved up. It's stalling here. I think the bears are trying to make a move to the downside. The bulls as well. My take is to the upside here. Okay, just gonna do that. Price to the upside. This is basically the whole week's trading here, this upcoming weeks on the H4. So I'm going to draw this line here. Pound CAD, similar to the pound. My bias is still to the downside. It's really that simple to choose a direction, guys. Remember, this is a trend. We wait for price to range. Same thing here. Trend, range, trend. So you can't just expect price to trend forever. It has to range. He has to pick up new sellers and buyers to participate in the market. So I'm going to look for rallies and sell them off. Okay, Aussie dollar here. Price has started to range. Let's see what kind of range we're in right now. So this is probably an up channel, right? There are many types of ranges. This is one of them. So I'm going to be cautious here if I'm going to buy, because our overall direction is still to the downside. But if I see a good buy opportunity, I would go long. But being cautious means that there's definitely lots of sellers over here still. Okay. Remember, this is the daily, so this is kind of a PRZ. But I might just look for buys until this point. Dollar yen. Okay, so big move up. Sellers jump in, leaves a long wick, which means that the bulls jump in on this opportunity as well. Okay, this up move here is probably not done. So upside. All right, look for pullbacks. That's what I'm gonna do. Dollar franc. Wow. I'm not gonna short this anytime soon, so I'm just gonna wait for pullbacks here. It's as simple as that, really. Choosing a direction. Okay. Um, Euro Aussie. This channel seems to be price seems to be moving in this channel. The move is still going to the upside, so I'm gonna look for some sort of a buy here. So this is price would coincide with this down channel, and also just demand over here. So support. Okay, basically. Euro pounds. This is still probably going to the upside, but be cautious though because it's forming a wedge, which can be a reversal pattern. But seeing this move here, my bias is still to the upside. So even if price breaks this channel, I'll look for buy still. Next, pound Aussie. Okay, price is already showing that it's in a range. Let's see, what kind of range are we in right now? Probably a rectangle range. Okay, so price may just hover around here first. Direction is, however, still to the downside for me. Okay, why is it crooked? Alright. Pound yen. I'm gonna look for sales here. So all these price action, they're inducing buyers, right? Because in order for you to sell, you need people to buy from you. And looking at this here, my buyers is still to the downside, so I'm gonna look for sales. I'm gonna wait for the buyers to jump in. You may see a big bullish candle and then price just reversing. It's just a fake out. Happens all the time. Aussie Kiwi. Um, my bet is still to the upside here. Okay, so I'll just draw this here. Nah. Yeah, still to the upside. I'll wait for maybe a pullback to enter. Okay, Aussie yen, really choppy here. My bias for this pair, I had a long bias last week, but price broke through this trend line. Okay, seeing how price broke through it, I'm definitely still biased to the upside here. Yep, to the upside. Cat Frank hasn't shown any sign of ranging yet, so you could probably buy on a pullback. and direction to the upside. Euro yen, similar to the euro pound. Price may stall here, form a range. Should that happen, I'm gonna look for sells here. Last one, Kiwi. Yeah, it's still big move down. It may go up to this point here, form a range. So should price go up and touch this green line, I'm gonna look for sells. It's similar to the Aussie, so I'm gonna look for buys too, just up to this point here. So that's all, guys, for the 16 pairs. Thanks for watching, and this is how I do my analysis every week. It's just to keep me in the right direction, because throughout the week I'll be watching my own video and just be looking back on my own initial prediction. And most of the time, it's really right, because when we're not in the markets, we have a really clear, we are unbiased to the direction and everything. So it gives me a clear roadmap on the positions I need to take. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah.